Everyone, in this video we are going to study about why do we fall ill for standard 9th science subject. We will see here manifestation of diseases. Yet we have discussed about the different type of diseases, their causes, health and other aspects. In this video we are going to study about sign and symptoms. What does disease look like? Your question is in NCERT, you see what does the disease look like? It means if anybody is diseased, suffering from any disease, they develop or the person develops certain sign and symptoms. Signs. So we will discuss about different signs and symptoms. So try to understand the difference between sign and symptoms. Sign is the indication of disease. When there is a manifestation, we feel that there is a disease. It also infects the respiratory system, causes fever and headache. Plague, Pasteurella pestis is the causal agent of bacterium of plague, and fever and headaches are the symptoms. Tuberculosis, TB, commonly known as TB. Mycobacterium, very common. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the causal agent or pathogen. Name of the pathogen of TB disease. When I tell you that today the world is facing the problem of coronavirus, so after corona, if any other factor which kills the maximum immunity is the tuberculosis. So it is not ordinary disease. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It may infect any part, bone, even chest, but most common are lungs. Lungs are infected. Mild fever means here mild, हल्का बुखार रहेगा. Mild fever or a sputum with blood. When anybody spurt, है ना, थूक फेंकेगा, खखार फेंकेगा, तो blood will come along with the sputum. Is the common maybe sign for the tuberculosis. Definitive indication. So these are the common bacterial diseases I have placed before you. You must remember it. Next, come to the virus category. Viruses, SARS-CoV. Before your COVID-19, there are SARS-CoV virus. Again, coronavirus. Earlier to this COVID. SARS here, full form of SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Remember, severe acute means shortly, respiratory, problem to respiration, syndrome, complication of many diseases. So these are the common name, full name of SARS-CoV, and SARS-CoV is a virus. Actually the diseases caused, the viruses are caused on the basis of the diseases caused. So many, there is a similarity between the name of disease and viruses, name of virus. So here respiratory system will be infected, fever, headache are common symptoms. Influenza is a common group of virus. Influenza virus. What you are today facing the COVID-19. So COVID-19, the symptoms of COVID-19 as well as influenza are common. Only difference it is severe. It kill you. More respiratory trouble provided by the COVID-19 in comparison to influenza. Influenza so mild. So there is a difference between influenza and COVID, but symptoms are common. Influenza virus, fever, head, nasal congestion. You know, nasal congestion in nasal passage. We test about the COVID also, influenza also. AIDS, another disease is a very dangerous disease is AIDS, which cannot be cured yet. AIDS, cancer, tetanus, these are uncurable diseases. So AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, again acquired, try to know the name. Acquired means capture anybody. Immune system deficiency, उसकी कमी हो गई. और syndromes means complication of many diseases. लगेगा कि उसको टीबी भी है, कोलरा भी है ना, टाइफाइड भी है, निमोनिया, ऑर्डिनरी डिजीज जैसे इन्फ्लुएंजा वगैरह हुआ, ये तुरंत ठीक हो जाता है. बट इन केस ऑफ एड्स पेशेंट इट कैन किल हिम. सो नो, immune system decline clearly. So decline of immune system, common symptoms of many diseases. Hydrophobia caused by animal bites. Dog bites, you are familiar with, monkey, bat, any animals if bite you, cause rabies virus, may enter in your, affect the CNS. CNS means here central nervous system, brain. Nervous system will be affected. The person becomes mad है ना, लगता है, कहते हैं ना पागल कुत्ता काटा है, तो मैं लाइक salivation, saliva comes out. These are the symptoms. Polio caused by poliomyelitis, and now it is completely eradicated in 1913. In the year of 1913, after that there is no case of polio disease. Poliomyelitis is recorded in our country because it has again vaccine, OPV, remember, oral polio vaccine is already available. It also affects the central nervous system, paralyzes. If left or right side, any complete, there is a paralysis, so cannot work. Chicken pox on the body, again on the body, various spots, blisters are grown on the body, and rubella zoster is the causal agent. Red rashes on the skin, fever are the common indications. So these are the various type of pathogen, their diseases, and the important symptoms developed in your body I have told you. Next I will further give you the information about other diseases.